लिटिल पाकिस्तान में पानी की जानिब से हलाल फूड की डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन और कांग्रेस वुमेन इवेट क्लार्क की खुसूसी शिरकत। जून 9 बरोज मंगल को पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन एसोसिएशन ऑफ न्यूयॉर्क पानी की जानिब से इकना रिलीफ यूएसए के ताउन के साथ हलाल फूड की डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मंगल के रोज मुनक्कद हुई, जिसमें कांग्रेस वुमेन इवेट क्लार्क और डिस्ट्रिक्ट अटॉर्नी एरिक गोंजालेस के नुमाइंदों की खुसूसी शिरकत। कांग्रेस वुमेन इवेट क्लार्क ने इस मौके पर खाने की डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में शिरकत की और आशियाना डे केयर में कम्युनिटी के नुमाइंदों से खुसूसी बातचीत की और अपने पैगाम में कहा,
This beautiful facility here is open for our community. I want to thank our businessmen for making this possible. I've had an opportunity to see what they've built. It's beautiful, and it's a place where those who don't have an opportunity to socialize with others can come, socialize, get a good meal. And so I want to commend the Pakistani community and my brother here for his vision of providing this for our community. I look forward when the coronavirus is gone to see this place with many, many, many people who are in need of coming, socializing, and getting a good meal. And there's a prayer room, so you won't miss any opportunity as long as you come and you visit. Give me the name.
Mohammed Kareem.
Mohammed Kareem.
Good.
Ashiana, yes.
And how did you like the Muslim people been serving all communities
yes.
during the COVID-19?
And the Muslim community has been so tremendous during this pandemic. They have been feeding so many families regardless of race, religion, as long as they're a neighbor and they're in need. And I'm so proud of what they have been doing and continue to do to this very day. So I will be boasting when I go back to Washington, D.C. I will tell the story of what the Pakistani American community is doing here in Brooklyn to lift others. They didn't have to do it, but they have done it, and we are grateful.
One more, what do you expect more from the community to support yourself or good leaders like yourself?
And I have been a part of this community all of my life, and my mother before me, we have always embraced the immigrants who have come from around the world. And the Pakistani community has now grown from strength to strength. So many generations have built a lovely community here and have been more than neighbors. They have been a part of the gorgeous mosaic. And so I'm asking that the Pakistani American community vote for Yvette Clarke on June 23rd. We can continue the tradition of strength, and I will continue to fight in Washington, D.C. for each and every one.
मैं पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि जून 23 को प्लीज़ निकलें और वोट फॉर एवर क्लार्क. She always fight for Pakistani rights, and she always help Pakistani and Muslim community. Especially today, she also remind us again that when she go back to Washington, she will request to lift the Muslim ban, and also she will fight for Kashmir people. God bless her. God bless America. Once again, please help her on June 23rd. Thank you so much.
Really good.
Okay.
So today I thank for the Clark and the movement came to overwhelm the Pakistani Health Association of New York food dispute. So we appreciate she have a busy schedule. She gave us time. So she's always with the Pakistani community and Pakistani family. She is our family. So please, we want to ask every Pakistani, please go out 23rd June. So support her, give her rights. We need her sister. She is our family. Please. And you see anybody who need a problem with the immigration, they have some stuff. So go to her office. She is helping you. Please, everybody could come to her office and get the support from her. So anybody have a green card, passport out, any kind of problem for the immigration, please go to Lennox Avenue, her office location is there, please go to get support. And please 23rd June, go outside at Boat House. Thank you.
Thank you. You're wonderful.
पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन एसोसिएशन को पानी के अंडर ये हलाल फूड डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं एवरी ट्यूसडे। आज हमने इनवाइट किया है ऑफिशियल कांग्रेस वुमेन को और डिस्ट्रिक्ट अटॉर्नी हैदर गंजालस को। उनको इमरजेंसी से वो नहीं आ सके, कोई प्रॉब्लम बनी है, उनके ऑफिस से जो लोग आए हुए हैं वो हमारे साथ जो है ना ये फूड डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं। तो ये सिलसिला जो है ना सिर्फ रमज़ान शुरू है उस वक्त से हम कर रहे हैं, बट कंटिन्यू है।
बिस्मिल्लाह, ये पानी की तरफ से आज हम ये दोबारा 5th वीक है ये कर रहे हैं माशाल्लाह। तो आज एज आई एक्सप्लेन बिफोर थोड़ा डिफरेंट तरीके से कर रहे हैं। पहले बैग दे रहे हैं
जी।
इनका भी शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं, सपोर्ट किया, हमें फाइनेंशियली भी सपोर्ट किया और हेल्प भी की इधर। और ये डिस्ट्रिक्ट अटॉर्नी के आपको से कुछ लोग आए उनका भी हम शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं, ब्रदर इमाम साहिब का शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच, ये सब लोग आए हैं, इन्होंने हमारी हेल्प की।
Good. Thank you.
My name is Rakesh Ramji. We're here representing Brooklyn District Attorney Eric Gonzalez. We want to thank Islam and all the folks over here at the Pakistani Association for the work they've been doing every week and serving the community. This is a much needed resources, and folks in the community, as you can see from the line, need the resources. So on behalf of the Brooklyn District Attorney, we're more happy and grateful to be here to give a hand. This is my colleague Nancy Lulu.
Yes, good evening. Hi, my name is Nancy Lulu. I'm here representing District Attorney Eric Gonzalez. We're very happy to be here with the Pakistani American Association to give them a hand with this wonderful food drive that they're having. Thank you so much for having us here.
Hello everyone, with greetings from Congresswoman Yvette Clarke. Thank you for inviting us to be a part of this event. We want to make sure that everyone is being taken care of during this COVID crisis. We're here for you. Please contact our office if you need any information regarding services that our office will provide. Again, we're here with the Pakistani community, and we want to thank you for inviting Congresswoman Yvette Clarke to be a part of this event. Thank you so much.
I'd like to say good afternoon. My name is Salim Cadet from the Office of Congressman Yvette Clarke. On behalf of our office, we'd like to say thank you to the Pakistani community because what you guys are doing is extremely awesome, and I'm glad to be a part of it and witness it myself. And you guys are not getting enough recognition that you guys deserve. Thank you for inviting me here and letting me help and everything like that. I appreciate it.
सब पीरियड्स वगैरह हैं। पिछले 4 हफ्तों से हम सेम स्टफ दे रहे थे ना, कुछ लोगों ने कहा कि ये सेम स्टफ वी कैन गेट इट एवरीवेयर, सो दैट्स व्हाई वी हैड सम मोर स्टफ टुडे।